Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by gathering required documents and creating your Jntuk profile. This saves time. Log into the Jntuk portal, enter your PRN and registration number, and verify personal details. Once done, navigate to the Transcripts or Convocation Services section and choose Apply for Transcripts. Make sure to upload clear PDF scans of your degree, consolidated marks memo, and photo ID. Then select the delivery mode and complete the online fee payment. Keep the receipt for tracking and future reference. Now you fill the application form carefully, double-check spellings and dates because corrections later cost time. Upload each document in the specified format, ensuring scans are legible and below size limits. Rename files for easy identification. Next, select how many transcript sets you need and whether you want normal or speed post. Provide a complete shipping address and contact number. Once all fields and uploads are verified, review the summary, confirm, and submit so the university can begin processing. After submission, you monitor progress via the portal using your reference ID. Universities often show stages like verification, printing, and dispatch. If processing exceeds the published timeline, contact the university help desk with your transaction receipt and application number to escalate. Once transcripts arrive, immediately check names, course details, and seal for accuracy. If there are printing or address errors, request a reissue promptly and provide evidence. Keep digital copies of receipts and communications.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.